this video. So today I'm going to teach you how to make your own emoji in a creative way and turn it into a really cute intro. So yeah, without any further ado, let's get started. So yeah, first I'm on my home page and we're going to go to Mirror app. You have to download these apps and I'm going to link the description. And this is me. I've created an account and I'm just going to show you guys how you can, there are different types of hairstyles, glasses, eye makeup, but you have to choose the one which is the closest to you. So this one was mine and I don't have any specs, so I'm not going to use that. And these are the pupil shapes. So my one is a large one, and now this is some sort of eye makeup, but I don't like eye makeup, so I'm just going to keep a simple one which is like the thin eyelash. So that looks pretty on me, so I'm just going to keep that. And there are some cute bows and hats, but I think this hairstyle does not matches with any of them, so I'm just going to keep it plain. And now there are brows, lips, skin tone, clothes, beard and all that stuff. So now as we have done our thing, we are going to get our emoji right here. As you can see, the premium, we cannot get the premium, we have to purchase them, but you can always screenshot them. So these are my emojis. You can also make your custom emojis in this app. So like I have seen a lot of videos for this, but this way is the best way, so I brought this video for you guys. So I thought this is the most cutest and coolest emoji. Now you can also apply some face things like the heart eyes or a smiley face or a confused face or an angry face, as you can see here. But you can also click your own picture and show how you want your face. But I'm just going to click this angry face because we need that for our intro. So I got this angry face and I'm just going to share it to the PicsArt. Now we have to remove the watermark of mirror. So we're going to go to stickers, and I already have used it, so I have it in recent, and I'm just going to take it white sticker and just hide the watermark. So yeah, that's really easy. And now we're going to save this photo, and now we're going to go to crop the photos and make it into a sticker. So now I'm just going to roughly crop this photo into a sticker, as you can see right here. And I'm going to put the arrow and it will turn itself. But now as you can see, it's not really picture perfect, so I'm just going to give it a little touch up, or else your emoji / intro will look really rough. So like you need to make sure that everything is perfect. So I'm just doing it right now. And after a really long time I messed up right here, but that's okay. I'm just going to increase the size of my eraser and erase the leftover bits of the thing which I messed up on. And yeah. Now we're gonna click on the preview and we can view our perfect picture. And we can just clean up the touch-ups. As you can see near my hair there are some spots, so I'm just gonna clear them all. and now we have to save it to my stickers. And now what you're gonna do is we're gonna just move out and save as a draft. We're gonna click the plus sign, and we're gonna go in all photos and free images, and we're gonna click on the green screen. We need a green screen because we have to make our water emoji. So as you can see, I got my green emoji, and also I'm just gonna spread it all the way by pinching it, and I'm just gonna go to recently and do my stickers. As you remember, we have saved it to my stickers, and I'm just going to take this sticker that we have made, and I'm just going to make it a full size sticker. As you can see, it's not the YouTube size sticker, and I will soon convert it into a YouTube size sticker. So I felt like it's good, so I just went on saving it, but when I saw it, it was not a picture perfect good. So I came back and I plus this, what is called that, a square shape. I cropped it, and as you can see now it's much more spread out and clear. So I just saved it once again, and it's saved in my gallery. Yeah, now we're gonna go to this motion portrait app. Yeah, so we're gonna click here, and we're gonna go to the library, and we're gonna do this PixArt thing as we have saved it at the PixArt. Now we're gonna go there, and it most of the time it takes it by itself, the eyes and the mouth, but here you can see my eyes are really small, so I used to pinch it, and I'm just gonna use some of these things given below to make it more bigger. And as you can see, we're gonna click on OK, and we're gonna have our motion skill. As you can see, it's blinking and occasionally smiling. You can also use other which are given below, emotions, and let's see how the smile looks. I really like this one, so I'm just going to save at this one. But there is also this cry emoji and this angry emoji. So I'm just going to go for the smile emoji. We're going to click this record button, which is right here, and it will record for our video. So just click there, and it will record for 15 seconds, and it will just close by itself. Now we're just going to click the save sign and save it for a YouTube video. Now we're going to go to YouTube, and I'm just going to search for my type. What I want is green screen. It's called green screen. Yeah, green screen liquid intro. I mean the green screen liquid intro, and I'm just going to download it from here. So as you can see, I choose the second one because it looks really pretty. So shout out to this man who made this. I don't know how to pronounce his name, so I'm just gonna not pronounce it. So yeah, I just saved it, and now I'm just gonna go to this KineMaster because a lot of people had a problem with this app. So I'm just gonna make it with this app and show you how to make it even work. Now we're gonna plug this plus sign right here, and we're gonna choose the YouTube one because we have to upload it on YouTube. Now I'm just gonna go to the place where I downloaded my intro, and I'm just gonna click on that intro, and I will just edit it as a normal video. I'm just gonna edit it until I want the part which I want the part of the intro to be my intro. So I'm just gonna click that, and for copyright issues I'm not gonna use the sound of that. I'm just gonna apply my own sound. So as you can see, this is the part I wanted. This is the best for my thing. So I'm just going to crop it till I want. And now what I'm going to do is I'm going to add the sticker that we made, the motion portrait sticker. And I'm just going to write here first my channel name, which is ToxicChicXOXO. And yeah, I'm just going to write it, and I'm just going to color it black and give it a cursive writing. Just like that, and settle it up to where I want. Just like that. And you can see that something which is coming around in the middle, and there we want our motion picture. So I'm just gonna go here to library and look at the motion thing and the picture that we created. Okay, so you have to click the OK. As you can see, our picture has some linings on it. To make that linings look clear, I'm just gonna do this thing. It will take about 10 or 11 seconds, and after that our picture will be picture clear. So as you can see, now I'm just going to increase the size of it first by pinching it, and pinching and squeezing it, and I'm just going to remove this green screen part by clicking on Chrome key. I'm just going to enable it, and I'm just going to make it transparent so they can see my logo but not the green screen. And now I'm just doing it as if I'm pro. So as you can see, now I'm just going to click it again and settle it on a place which I want at the middle of the circle. And I'm just going to write my name in front of it in a cursive black handwriting. And I'm again squinching it to make it the perfect size, and now I'm just going to do it until the sticker lasts long the same time, and I'm just going to write my surname and do it the thing again. First I thought to keep it just like this, but then I thought it would look really awkward, so I turned it into the calligraphy thingy. And now it's a super cool, and now you see from the first
I started the
really pretty.
name came first and the surname came after the thing got. So I thought I'll just gonna settle the thing back again to the place where my name and surname can come in such a position which can be some edited sort of like. So this is the whole thing. That's what I wanted. It's really perfect and it looks really cute. So now we're gonna go back to the gallery as I have downloaded another subscribe button green screen. I'm just gonna transparent it with the Chrome key as I did for the photo, and I'm just gonna now zoom it and zoom it until all those black lines get transparent. I mean it gets larger, so it gets out of the screen. And now when I start it, it looks beautiful. So this is how I did my thingy, and I'm just going to save it. I'm just going to keep the quality high in a Cinemex and export it.
Hopefully you guys like the trick that I used for my secret editing skills. I shared with you guys. If you like it, please give this video a thumbs up and comment if the tricks works for you, and subscribe to my channel because I'm going to post every Tuesday, Thursday and Saturday. So bye, see you next time.